Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the access point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here, this video is to represent the truck mount injection system, chemical injection system that we sell online, truckmountstore.com. And here's the pulse pump. It's all stainless, and we sell it with all the appropriate fittings, including the little 1/8 street L, including the barb and the high pressured hoses. You'll get hoses in the kit. There'll be 3 sets that will look like this: stainless steel braided, 3000 PSI rated, 500 degrees, really sturdy, JIC. So you have the military standard male flare that will be on this side, as well as the barbed hose that will be for your nylon hose. And that nylon hose goes right up to the top of the acrylic flow meter, and then you'll have your intake hose with the screen that goes inside your chemical bucket. And you'll also include an acrylic flow meter, which is 0 to 10 gallon per hour. So that will be also included with the ball valve. And then it'll also include the 3-way pointer valve, which has primer and metered side. And when you go on the other side, you'll have, again, those 3 sets of hoses: one for your injection line, one for your prime line that can go to your recovery tank, and then the other one is your coming from your pump, your high discharge side of your pump. So with this kit, it'll help you get into perfect injection, and also including that will also be a check valve that can be put on your high out manifold on your panel, where it allows you to go into your pressure hose. And that way you partition the high pressured line versus the passive line coming in off your pump. And of course, this can go into a fresh water tank or into a recovery tank, but there will be instructions. So this is to support the chemical injection for your truck mount on the Truck Mount Store, and to give you a basic idea. There will also be instructions as well to show you how to make the hookup. We'll also explain the fact that this is a drill tap at a 1/4 NPT. So basically, this female was drilled and tapped at 1/4. Now, there are adapters we sell for the other AR pumps or the smaller ones, but we do sell these as well, and that will help you make the adaptation happen, because a lot of these pumps don't have holes in them that allow the pulsation water pressure to pulsate the diaphragm that's in this pump. So that's what I go and do, is I have have it machined where it's drilled and tapped at a female 1/4, and allows you to put in the pipe nipple, the 1/4 pipe nipple, to connect up your pulse pump. That is it. Call us at 727-505-2989 if you have any questions. Thank you.